Don't just wake up one day and start uploading videos to YouTube because you see people doing it, so you're also going to do the same. If you're planning to start a YouTube channel and aiming to become one of the biggest YouTubers you see on YouTube today, then I think there are some important key factors you need to check out before starting a YouTube channel or even uploading videos to YouTube. The first key factor I'll encourage you to consider is nobody cares. This is a harsh reality to face starting the YouTube journey. But then, it's essential to accept a brutal truth: nobody cares about your channel. At least not yet. You know, everyone would like to rock on with the YouTube gurus you could think of because of how good their videos are. But if you're new to YouTube and you don't really know how to write good stories, you're not good at editing, and you don't have great thumbnails, seriously, nobody is waiting for your content to drop or refreshing their feed to see your videos, because you don't actually have a reliable audience yet. But guess what? That's totally normal. Think about it. YouTube is a crowded space with millions of creators uploading hours of content every second. People aren't going to just stumble onto your channel and fall in love with your content right away. So, don't take it personally, it's just how the game works. Let me just share this with you. When I started this channel and uploaded my first YouTube video, I asked my relatives to check out my video. But guess what? None of them did. Because nobody cares, nobody took me serious, and they did not see the future of what I was doing even till now. Some don't believe I would ever make $1 from YouTube. Before we continue, kindly subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell, like and share this video to others, and leave your questions and comments in the comments section, and I'll attend to them. Alright, the next idea is you should have the mindset to begin ugly. It's normal if you flop at the beginning. Your videos might not be looking good as you want, but let's be real, waiting for the perfect will keep you stuck forever. You can just start by using what you've got. You don't have a fancy camera? Who cares? Your phone is good enough. You don't have a ring light? Film near a window. Forget the excuses and make it work with what you have. It's about your message, not the gear. The message in this video is what had kept you watching this video till now. Even though my edits might look amateur, but here you are, still watching. The message is what matters the most. Just show up. Post regularly, even if it's not perfect. The more you post, the more you'll learn, and trust me, you'll cringe less with time. The biggest hurdle is hitting upload. Your first video doesn't need to go viral, it just needs to exist. Post it, learn from it, and move on to the next one. The next thing I would urge you to do is to take YouTube as a business. Starting a YouTube channel with the mindset of running it as a business is a game changer. It's not just about uploading random videos and hoping they blow up. It's about creating a plan, staying consistent, and treating your channel like a brand from day one. Know your why. Ask yourself, why am I doing this? Whether it's to share your passion, solve a problem, or entertain, your purpose should drive everything. When you're clear on your mission, your content becomes more intentional, and people connect with that. Moreover, you should treat it like a job before it pays like one. In the beginning, it might feel like you're working for free, but then every video you create is an investment in your future. Set a schedule, stick to it, and stay professional even when no one's watching yet. Don't just expect your first video to hit 100k views or 1 million views. I know some people talk about luck on YouTube, but I personally don't think that's 100% true. Because starting something new on day one with less knowledge, you can't just shoot up all of a sudden. Because you don't know the strategies yet. YouTube isn't just about creativity, it's about strategy. Understand how to optimize titles, thumbnails, and descriptions to get more clicks. Learn SEO, analytics, and monetization. The next thing is to know how YouTube works. It's a great idea to get familiar with how the platform works. YouTube isn't just about uploading videos. It's about creating a connection with your audience. What I mean by creating connection with your audience is understanding the algorithm. YouTube's algorithm decides which videos get shown to viewers. It loves videos that keep people watching, engaging through likes, comments, shares, and coming back for more. But how do you keep people engaged or connected to your videos? Simply by starting with a strong hook. Your first few seconds matter. Whether it's a killer opening line, an eye-catching thumbnail, or a bold promise in your title, you need to grab their attention fast. You need to provide value in your videos. Why should someone watch your video? Are you teaching them something? Making them laugh? Solving a problem? Think about what they want, not just what you want to create. Engage like you care, because you should. Respond to comments, ask for feedback, and genuinely connect with your audience. When people feel heard and valued, they'll stick around and even promote your channel for you. The platform evolves, and so should you. Trends change, algorithms shift, and viewer preferences move. Stay curious, keep learning, and be ready to pivot when needed. YouTube provides insights into what's working and what's not. Use the data to tweak your content, improve your strategy, and grow faster. You have to upload regularly, whether that's once a week or twice a week. This keeps your audience engaged and signals to YouTube that your channel is active. Finally, the next thing is to think of how you're going to monetize your channel. We all know the popular requirements of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. And once you hit these requirements, you can join YouTube's partner program to earn money from ad revenue. Ad revenue is great, but don't rely on it alone. Think about brand deals, affiliate marketing, selling products, or even launching a Patreon. Having multiple income streams makes your channel a stronger business. You can share products or services you genuinely love and earn a commission when your audience makes a purchase using your links. Think Amazon affiliates or specific brand partnerships. Platforms like Patreon or Buy Me a Coffee let your fans support you directly. Offer perks like exclusive content, shoutouts, or early access to videos. Just apply all the important things I told you in this video. And trust me, you're gonna have an amazing YouTube channel. I just uploaded a video that shows you the important YouTube Studio feature you need to turn on once you start your channel. And that particular feature will help YouTube recommend all your videos and go viral on YouTube. Just click or tap the screen. See you on the next video.